Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, My Lulila. If you are new here and you like the content of our channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be notified for new updates. It's another cooking episode at ang gagawin natin today ay ang Leche Flan. And I will also give you some tips if wala po kayong malaking steamer. So, I will be improvising using a big pot for my steamer. Ang unang ginawa ko is nag-caramelize po ako ng sugar. It's about 2 tablespoons of sugar just to cover the mold, the glass mold that I'll be using for my Leche Flan. Low to medium heat lang po yung electric stove ko para hindi po siya masunog yung sugar. Once na-caramelize na po yung sugar, pwede na po natin siyang iset aside muna. Ang gagawin po natin is separate natin yung egg yolk sa egg white. And here are the rest of the ingredients. Usually, ang ginagamit ko po na eggs is yung large egg, 12 egg yolks. Pero I only got here 9. So, kailangan kong i-adjust yung evap at saka yung condensed milk ko. Instead of 1 can, 250 ml lang po yung gagamitin ko for the condensed and 250 ml lang din yung evaporated. I-estimate ko lang po siya para hindi masyadong matamis. And here is my egg. At this 9 egg yolk siya na may konting egg white. And I will be using vanilla extract or mga 1 teaspoon lang. So at this time, nagpapakulo na po ako ng tubig sa malaking pot. May steamer ako kaya lang masyadong maliit. Kaya, gagawa ko ng, i-improvise ko yung cooking pot into a steamer. So, haluin mo lang. Make sure na walang bubbles. Try to avoid na mag-bubble siya. And then, i-strain ko siya para maging smooth yung mixture. Pour the mixture sa yung sinet aside mo na mold na may caramelized sugar. Then cover this with tin foil. Ito yung improvised na cooking pot ko. Tingnan mo, may maliit lang siya na tubig. Mga 1 liter lang siguro to. At saka, nilagyan ko siya ng steamer na siya yung magiging papatungan ko sa Leche Flan ko. At saka cover it. Then in a low heat until 1 hour siguro ang pagluto. Ito na po ang finished product. And anuhin mo lang sa gilid ng kutsilyo. And then turn it around. At saka hiwain muna natin. Tingnan natin kung ano ang kalabasan. Very smooth po siya. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if nagustuhan niyo po yung video na ito. And click the notification bell para ma-notified po kayo sa mga susunod kong uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye guys.